Oh, I thought we were just getting a new tire.
And then what? We're going to bring it here and install it ourselves?
Yeah.
Okay.
No? Anyway.
If you can put a tire on a rim by yourself, Charlene, I want to watch you do it.
I just thought, oh my God.
That we were just going to go pick up
a tire and bring it back.
And then who was going to put it on the rim?
You. But I forgot. You needed the rim. Sorry. I didn't think about that. I was just picturing go pick up a tire. Oh. My bad. Do you need your claw?
No, that's easy enough.
Oh, okay.
It's about 110 a day.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Say goodbye to the old tire, and we're gonna get a new tire. What are you looking at there?
Life jackets.
Oh, you're gonna need one of those.
I've heard. I don't want to wear a life jacket.
You don't?
No. See? They go around your head, and then, you know.
Yeah.
Well, if
you don't want to wear that one, then you have to buy the vest kind. They don't go around your head. They got the one that looks like a vest.
Because, you know, it could get caught on like a tree branch, and then you...
Why are you going to be wearing it around a tree branch? There's no trees. You can walk around town with it or something?
I can't... Wait.
Jesus Christ. Your big old head.
Well, the thing is, I don't want to drown.
Yeah. So you've got to wear one of those or one of these. You got to wear one of them. How much are those things?
Well, these are $7.
Okay, how about the vest? Oh my goodness. Here, I'll look. It's just difficult for you.
So you got the little toddler ones?
I was just looking at a price. Does it matter whether it's toddlers? Fine, I'll wait for you.
Ah, here it is. Notice that it. They don't have a price. It must be free, according to Charlene's way of.
I did not say that. Why are you bringing my name up? Can I help you?
Yes, we're wondering how much these cost.
Oh my God, it's right there in the front.
It is?
Right there. $52.
Okay.
Well, it's kind of small.
Yeah, I guess. We'll give that to him. It says small.
Oh, it's right here.
Dark.
All right, well, those are $7 and these are $52.
And both will save your life, huh? So, you might as well go with that right there.
Yeah, but
You're not going into the ocean. My goodness. You're just going to the lake right there.
I would look better in this.
Are you going to a fashion show or are you just going to the lake?
Sure, if I'm going to not drown, I gotta look good doing it.
Oh my goodness.
You want to drown wearing an ugly looking life
I don't
vest?
plan on drowning.
And that's red. How about
You're already jinxing, Jinxie.
maybe it's a different color?
Yes, the color is bright orange over there. That's what you need to be
Well, they
getting.
got blue. Oh no, it's just
What's that?
it's just
There you go. We'll tie that to your
throwable
back.
device. All right, and what's this? That's another seat.
Seat?
All right, apparently life vests come in orange. They don't
So people can
color.
see you. Bright orange bobbing in the lake. I don't know.
Okay.
All right. Well, we've came, we've seen, we saw. There you go. We've got the info.